Good morning, my fantastic snow friends. It is Friday, the 16th of February, and we got a whole lot of snow. Should be a good day. I don't know where I'm going to be on the mountain today, but the gods of skiing and snowboarding will put me where I need to be, hopefully. Here's our super sweet, yeah. It's our super sweet Suburban there. It's actually worked really well. And then there's our ski patrol van. And Brandon! Nice.
Hello, beautiful snow people.
Oh, it's so good to be up here. After a hard week of working for my other job, it is nice to be up here at beautiful Bryan Head.
Good morning.
Good morning. How are you doing, kind sir?
Oh, you know, here.
Good. All right. Gonna have fun?
Excellent day.
Yes. All right. So the cool thing is, good news. I am on chair 5. Dang it. Hold on. All right. Anyway, before we were so rudely interrupted, I'm on chair 5 today. So that's awesome. So that means I got all the chair 5 and chair 3. I'm with AJ today, so that's cool. I haven't been on the same chair with him in this whole season, I don't think. It's crazy. Looks like chair 3 has a bunch of little balls of snow. They're probably actually little balls of ice. We'll get rid of those. So that'll be good. So that's the good news. I'm on chair 5. The bad news is I accidentally left my size XL pants, snow pants, ski pants, in the ski patrol room on Friday when I left to hurry to my wife's yoga class, and somebody has them now, and it's not me. So I'm wearing a pair of size medium. So I apologize ahead of time for that. No one should ever have to see that sort of thing. So we'll try to edit any of that out. But yeah, today should be fun. It is absolutely beautiful and sunny, and President's Day weekend. Because again, today is the 16th of February, and tomorrow, this weekend, is going to be super, super busy. So should be exciting. All right. Without further ado, let's get sliding. So far, so good. So here's where we're going to check the snow snake, see where we're at for the season and for today.
Dave, Emily.
Looking pretty cool. Let's check it. So it looks to me like we have less than half an inch of new, and we're at 58 inches for a base. Pretty sweet. Okie doke. So the runs are looking good over here on 3. About to head up lift number 5. Believe it or not,
you can also show me not bridge sign up.
Believe it or not, this will be my first time over on 5 patrolling for the season. That's what happens when you work 1 day a week, and yeah, so no big deal. The goals for today, as always, are to ski 22 miles and to ski every run within my area of operation. All right, so one of the most beautiful snow people of all, a young man named Wolfie. Handsome as he could possibly be. So who's this guy?
This is Peyton. He's trainee.
Okay.
He's getting the spiel out of getting the talk of how all these lifts work.
Okay. Is he a Sagittarius? All right, well, welcome, Peyton. Have fun, learn well. This guy's the guy to teach you.
That's what I've heard.
Some things.
Some things.
Don't learn everything.
No.
All right, everybody. So we are going to head down a little run I called Wild Ride. Okay, we all call it Wild Ride. It's going to be my first time for this season. So let's go have some fun. Yeehaw. remember, patrolling is an action word. We have all this area over here open. See, but what I like to do, ouch, is kind of traverse everything. That way, I can kind of see what's going on all over the place. And I think it's much more patrol-y than, yeah, patrol-y's a real word. Much more patrol-ish, if you will, than just bombing straight down something, because it's not very patrol-y at all. So, I think we got just a little bit of powder last night, because most of the tracks are covered, so that's pretty sweet. No idea. Snow snake said that we got an inch, half an inch, something like that. Eventually we'll go over to Devo's area. Go take a look at it right now. Yeah, so we're just going to get a look at Devo's. I'm sure they've already done quite a bit of avalanche mitigation over here. We actually got it to slide right there across that whole face one time with David. But looking pretty good. So hopefully be able to get to do a lot of sliding today. That would be nice. I know nothing looks steep on video, but it's pretty steep. Oh, it's so fun. Never tell you, I feel like a total dork carrying a camera like this. Oh, but just one of the sacrifices I make to the art form, my friends. Alright, well, so inside the trees is interesting. It's kind of a mix of powder-ish. It's still pretty firm under there. Powder. Gear jump. So this is where some of our mountain bike trails actually run through. This area is lower timberline, just in case you're wondering. Yeah, I'd say the roughest thing about only doing ski patrol once a week is my legs are smoked. One good run and my legs are trashed. What are you gonna do? Such is the sacrifice we make It's not a sacrifice. Well, that was a lot of fun. So that run was, again, wild ride. And I crossed pretty much every run over there. So that would be straight up and hard times. And then I crossed over into the tree glade in between Heavenly Days and Desba. So that was cool. Aww. What if they're getting married? That's so cute. But seriously, that's pretty cute. Yeah, so we'll hit the aughts and pretty much have collected all the runs in my my area in one swoop. Right now we're just sitting here chilling. Got to be honest, of all the places to chill, this is a good one. That's super cool. A mom teaching her 2 kids how to ski. It's rad. America. Indeed. Now we're gonna head down that, patrol it real quick, and then get back to the top of 5, because I've been gone a long time. So we try to make sure we trade off who's out sliding versus who's up what we call sitting bump in one of the shacks, because that's not much fun. All right, so one thing that I really don't like, one thing I don't like, my beautiful snow friends, is when someone skis very quickly, very close to me. Because what that guy doesn't know is if you're gonna turn. So what you don't want to do, just in case you weren't aware, you don't necessarily want to straight line right next to somebody ever, because you don't know if they're going to turn or stop or do something unpredictable. It's just dumb. That's how collisions happen. So that guy with the black jacket pants and orange goggles, not cool. Not cool, bro. Don't do that. That's cool. Oh, so cute. What's up, man? How you doing?
What's up?
Got any pulled pork?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. Big old pile of pulled pork to go, please. That's right. Fry sauce, people.
Have a good one.
You too, man.
Hey, what's up, man?
What's up, dude?
Good.
How's the day going?
Good, man. It's a good day.
It is a good day. During lunchtime, we just tried. I normally bring something to microwave, or as the French say, microwave, and just make life easier for me. Today, though, I got some of our fantastic pulled pork, although he was not very generous. How mean. Usually they're a little more generous than that, but that's okay. So, yeah, that's good. And we just grab it and then get back to the top of our shack as quickly as we possibly can. Typically at 1 o'clock begins what I like to call the crashing. I'm not 100% sure what happens, but I think people go and they get lunch, they chill out for a little bit, and then for whatever reason get really brave after 1 o'clock, and then go out and crash. Hence the term, the crashing. So, don't do that. Just eat lunch and don't get brave. Just eat lunch. No big deal. Have a good one. You too, bud. Sorry, man.
There you should.
I know, dude.
You want to try and hog on you?
Sure.
You want to just hold on to it?
Yeah. Let's just both hold. It'll be great.
Okay.
Nothing bad will happen, they
for it.
said. Yeah, that's cool.
Thank you.
Thank you, guys. I've never had this on a video before. This is fun. But we'll have to see how powerful this sled is. Oh my goodness! Woo-hoo-hoo! Nice!
Hell yeah, Kennedy.
Dude, that was so much easier. Yes.
Hey, Cappy.
Yeah. Now we're going to do a wave off over here. All right. Don't hear anything. Very busy towards the end. Not super busy at the beginning. Whew. Drag those up. So everybody grabs their stuff and heads on in. It is really easy to board the struggle bus towards the end of the day because you're tired and oftentimes it's been a long day. So that's the case today. So we're going to go ahead and call this a good day. If you wouldn't mind, if you like the video, push likes. If you want to subscribe because you're into this for some reason, which I appreciate, go ahead and subscribe. I'm really tired. I want to go home, as Forrest Gump would say. All right, appreciate you guys and gals tuning in. Have a great day. Take care. Remember, patrolling is an action word.